hydrocarbon, and first part of hydrocarbon is saturated hydrocarbon, because you can study about aliphatic hydrocarbon. So the first part of aliphatic hydrocarbon is alkane. We can say alkane is commonly known as paraffin, and the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. If we can take the example of the simplest alkane, this one is the methane, CH4. The molecular formula of methane is CH4. So the formula of methane is CH4. So first of all, about something about the CH4. So CH4 is, CH4 is commonly known as fire of damp, and also known as Mars gas. Everybody know about this. This one is also known as Mars gas or the fire of damp. If we can take the example of any another of the alkane is homologous of this compound, this homologous is ethane. The formula of ethane is C2H6. If comparison this both formula, so 1 carbon here, 2 carbon here, 4 hydrogen here, 6 hydrogen here. So if this CH2 add in this formula, then this formula becomes this formula. So we can say methane and ethane both are homologous. Both are homologous because this one term related to the organic chemistry. If any of the compound which is belonging from either alkane or alkyne, alcohol, phenol, ether, from any compound, if compound have the same functional group but in the molecular formula difference of CH2 and in the molecular mass difference 14, then such type of compounds are called homologous, and this series is called homologous series. So this CH4 and this ethane, it means methane and ethane, both are the types of or both are the part of alkane, and both have same functional group of N because carbon-carbon single bond present in this case, and this methane is the first member of alkane. So this both compound is homologous, and series of this compound like this CH4, then next one is the C2H6, next one is the C3H8, then C4H10, C5H12. Anybody say about this? If CH2 add in this formula becomes this formula, and this CH2 isolate from this formula becomes this formula. It means above and below compound have difference only CH2. So this all the series or compounds of this series is called homologous series of alkane. So after it, today we are going to study about next term is nomenclature of alkane. So nomenclature, the most important organic chemistry nomenclature is IPSC system. So first of all, talk about the IPSC system. Before the IPSC system, everybody know about the IPSC, International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. This system was Geneva system in the initial time. But at this time, these systems become IPSC system, and with the help of this IPSC system, we can nomenclature of related to the organic compound from the haloalkane, haloarine, alcohol, phenol, ether, and several type of the organic compound. So on the basis of IPSC system, before the study of IPSC system, first of all, about the 4 terms related to the IPSC, first one is the prefix. Second one is the word root. Then the primary suffix, and then last term is secondary suffix. It means before the study of IPSC system of the organic compound, first of all, there are 4 terms are need for any nomenclature related to the IPSC system. First term prefix, second one is the word root, third one is the primary suffix, and last one is the secondary suffix. We can change the color and we can say about this prefix. this one is the word root, this one is the primary suffix, and this one is the secondary suffix. So everybody say about the IPSC, any four of the concept can form the nomenclature of any compound. So after it, we can take the another example of the compound and nomenclature of the alkane. So write down here this type of structure, CS3, CS2, CS2 and this CH3. According to IPSC rules, write down about the nomenclature of this compound. We know first of all, according to this method or this rule, first of all write prefix. Then what is the prefix? Prefix is word always write before the word root. Then word root. Word root according to the number of carbons, C1. According to the number of carbons, C1, it means meth. C2, then the eth. C3, then the prop. C4, bute. C5, pent, as well as C6, then hex, hept, arc, non, and several type of the word root related to the organic compound. So in this structure, first of all check how many carbon involved in this formula. So you can say 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon are formed, or these 4 carbon are present in this structure. Then according to this word root, first of all write here bute. Carbon carbon single bond present, then write this primary suffix, and primary suffix is ane when carbon carbon single bond, primary suffix ene when carbon carbon double bond, and carbon carbon triple bond present in this compound, then primary suffix used as ine. So ane for the single bond, ene for the double bond, and ine for the triple bond, and these three related to the bond, this all are the primary suffix add in the word root and form nomenclature. So according to this rule, this single bond present between this all the carbons, so write here ane. So nomenclature of this compound is butane. As well as we can take the another example related to this rule. If write here CH3, CH2, CH, then CS3 and then CS3. So first of all check this is chain of carbon is straight or not. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. This structure is not straight of the chain of the carbon. So first of all select the largest chain of carbon. It is rule related to the IPSC system. So write this one first carbon, then second carbon, then third carbon, and then fourth carbon. So according to this rule, this second number of carbon, this CS3 group attached to the second carbon, and this CS3 is prefix, because this CS3 name of CS3 not add with the word root. So first of all write the name of this prefix. If CS3 attached to the second carbon, so write first of all 2, then CS3 means methyl, and how many carbon in the chain? 4. So according to the word root 4, it means bute. So here write bute. Then single bond present between every carbon, so as a primary suffix like ane. So here write ane, then name of this compound become 2-methyl butane. It is the IPSC system related to the alkane. So in this compound we can check our phase, what is the prefix, what is the word root, what is the primary suffix, what is the secondary suffix. First of all in this compound, know the secondary suffix is used. So secondary suffix absent in this name. First prefix, prefix present before the word root. So before this word root bute, this 2-methyl is the prefix, and this bute But is the word root and single bond present between carbon carbon. So write N as the primary suffix, secondary suffix is absent in this name. So on the basis of this rule, on the basis of this all the statement, we can write any nomenclature related to the alkane. Okay, thank you.